friends, now I will show you how to place the order and how to make the payment. Okay, so go to the website www.dayjoy.in. You will see some pop-ups about the latest offers and information. Close them. Click on sign in. At the top you see sign in. Enter your details, username and password, and click on login. So once you see the welcome screen, okay, on the top left you see a black box with 3 dots in it. All right, so just click on it, and here click on my order, the third option, my order, third option, and then click the first option, quick buy. Quick buy. So this is like you place your order screen. You will see your details. Okay. Now the purchase from, always select company. Okay, always select company. Next, sale type. As you're joining it for the first time, always select joining sale. Select joining sale. And then in the package, you can select the package. It will show you the package of 1800 rupees or 5000 rupees. Whichever package kit you want, you can choose. 1800 company is giving you, in the kit it is giving you 2 products. That details are already there, explained to you. In 5000 it is giving around 9 to 10 products. Okay. Now, if you don't want this particular kit and want to choose your own products for your purpose, for your use, then package, keep it blank, just like select package as it is, and then select product, click on it, and from here I suggest you always first choose Astaprash. It is very useful in the present days of the COVID. This will help you in protecting the lungs, cleaning the lungs, and developing the immunity for the entire family. So select Astaprash, then go to the quantity, put 1, and then click add. So Astaprash is added to the cart. Okay. Now we require 1250 PV. Here if you see we have got 1000 PV. Okay, so we require another 250 PV, which means you have to select one more product. I am sharing what I have selected. Okay, with Astaprash, if you want you can select any product, but just ensure that you are making at least 1250 points. You can choose gaso-free. Otherwise, you can choose HB plus, which is good for improving hemoglobin in the blood, or Levy's, which is for liver. But I selected Detox Tea. Detox Tea. So it's a good combination. One, Astaprash helps you in building the immunity, and Detox Tea will remove the toxins from your body. So I selected this. Quantity 1. Click on add. So here detox is added to your cart. Now see the total PV point is 1300. So we have achieved the threshold of 1250. And the amount you have to pay is net amount. Okay. Net amount you have to pay is 1840. So just for 40 rupees more, you are able to choose the product that you want. Okay. Now after this, enter the shipping address, name, where that product has to be delivered. Enter all the details properly. Okay. Double check all these details. Otherwise, it might delay the product delivery to you. Telangana, Hyderabad. Then select Hyderabad. Put the mobile number, email ID, email ID. Okay. Put the proper email ID. This is only for a test. I'm doing this. In courier address details, just put courier. Remarks, keep it blank. Freight charges, no, nothing. So total order value is like 1840. Now you select online payment, and the order value it shows here is 18,886 40 rupees more. The convenience fee is added, 46 rupees. This fees is added, and this fees is applied only when you choose to make payment with credit card. Otherwise, there is no fees. All right. So just click on place order. So from here you can choose the payment options. If you are choosing credit card, then 1,886 has to be paid. If you are choosing any other options like debit card, Beam UPI like GPay or Paytm or net banking, then you have to remove the convenience fee and the remaining amount you have to pay. So after you click on pay, it will take you to the order confirmation, and to check whether your order is successfully placed or not, just click on back. Okay. And after you click on back, once again go to the menu, the black box with three dots. Click on that. Click on my order, and the second option here you will see view orders. Click on view orders and select the date. By default it will show you, but as I have placed the order like 1 month before, I have to select the date. So here you can see the order, and when you click on print, it will show you the courier details and everything. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.